back to our channel. In this video we are going to do laminar flow experiment. It is very easy and simple experiment. So now let's see how to make that laminar flow. For this, take some balloons and fill the water in it. Now I have filled the water in the balloon. Now we need insulation tape. Don't take sellotape, take only insulation tape. Take one bowl like this and keep the balloon like this. You should keep the balloon slantly. And take this insulation tape and stick it like hash symbol. You should stick the tape like this. You should leave small gap in it and take one knife and put a hole in that. Now I am putting hole. Now our water is like frozen. But this will be viewed for some seconds only. Now I am trying in the another balloon. Put a hole smally in that with the knife. It's looking very beautiful. If we put a hole in balloon, water will move gently and evenly without any disruption. This creates an illusion like frozen water. This is the laminar effect.